Page 264, Morning is Broken. This is a lesson on harmonizing to a melody, and this time you're harmonizing in both hands. They're giving you the pattern they're suggesting, although you can use most any pattern you want. Just keep in mind that whatever pattern you choose needs to fit the style and mood of the piece. This piece is a rather flowing piece, so I wouldn't use a lot of staccatos. I suppose you can if you want to, but it's really not the style of the piece. So first I want to know what this melody sounds like. I'll play through the melody. It's two sharps in the key signature. We are in the key of D major. And 3/4 time signature. So they have a 1-3-1. See, normally I'd like to play those first two measures as a chord like that. Problem is, in the next measure I need this note. So I got an extra note. I could do it all 5 fingers. I got them. I go 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a possibility if your hands are large enough. Otherwise, the fingering in the book is fine. It's 1, 3 here. So it's going from measure 6 to 7 here. I'd rather not. I want to play here, so I don't want thumb here. I need something else. I can scrunch up and do a 4, 3, and then reach down, and then I'm okay. I don't need this. That fingering is rather awkward in my opinion. And then going on. Here it's just 1, 2, 3. And then going on measure 13. I'd use 4 on the first one. However you want to do it. I like to connect the notes, but you use whatever fingering as you choose to. Or what fingering your teacher tells you. This lesson is on the accompaniment, not that. So this melody could be played by any instrument. Or there's no words in here, but there are words to this song. But if you're having an instrument like a trumpet or a clarinet or something, they would have to transpose. But a C instrument like a violin or an oboe or flute or something, they could just play this here. Along, whatever. We're going to do the accompaniment. Now they give the chords up above the staff, that's fine. At first I'm just going to play block chords because I want to make sure I know what the chords are. We have a D chord here. Exactly which notes I'm using in the D chord, I don't know. I'll get them all in somewhere. And then an E minor chord. And then an A chord. A G chord. D chord. Then an F sharp minor chord, yeah. And then B minor is here, D, yeah. I don't know, and an A, and that's a 7 there. Back to the D chord, G chord, to the D chord, B minor is here, E minor, A, D, G, A, D. I went through that really fast because by now you really should know what these chords are. I don't know exactly where or which notes I'm playing in which hand yet. I don't know. They're giving the example of what they think you should do. It's here in the left hand, you're doing the extended position through the octave, and you're doing the 5th of the chord. And B minor, D, A. So that's what we're doing in the left hand. The right hand just takes the chord in a broken chord like here. And they've got first inversion here. Here. Well, we can do that. E minor, A, G. G is here on first inversion. D, F sharp minor. Well, F sharp minor is here. First inversion would be that. B minor here. B minor is here. First inversion. D, A. That's what we're doing in the right hand. So you just put that together. The block chord if you need to. First inversion. Then first inversion, E minor, A, first inversion. And if you're getting up here in the way because the melody's here, you need to come down here. G, D, D again, measure A, F sharp minor, remember F sharp minor. Here, and B minor, D, A. I got it down here. And the reason it's down here is because the melody is here. I gotta stay away from the melody because otherwise it interferes, it gets in the way. So stay down here. And that's basically what we're doing with the chords. Then it's the rhythm. I think we gotta come down here on the G. That might be too high too. I can come down here. Just using the same pattern on those two measures for the rest of it. Now on measure what, 11? It's a different pattern, so they wrote out the notes for you. That's fine. And at the end again, different pattern. They wrote them out. And that's basically the thing. Work out the accompaniment so it's smooth, no hesitations, because you can't be hesitating if you're accompanying somebody. Now, I'm guessing what would actually happen is you would get this in a fake book or something, and all you get is the melody and the chords. And it's up to you to figure out this accompaniment. They're helping you out a little bit by suggesting a pattern, but you could do other patterns. Well, here it's 3/4 time. See, I'm just doing two notes. Same thing. Whatever, it's just as long as it flows. Now I've added pedal, and it's just regular pedaling, as you're changing it with the harmony, and it's overlapping. It's just throughout. No, that's fine. That's about all I have to say on this. Let me know if you have questions. Ask your teachers better.